As every day, today I'm going to answer Sam question that he sent me with hashtag #WhatAyub. So Sam asked a question is, what is the big mistake fitness marketer make when creating ad headline? That's very good question, Sam. So I'm gonna be diving into this question, Sam. I'm gonna try to answer your question, okay? So one of the biggest mistakes you may be making in your fitness marketing is being too cute with the headline. Okay, I'm going to show you why straightforward, benefit-driving headline are the key to success, and then how you can start using them to get more leads and clients. Okay, so let's get down. So we're gonna start in with this. So you have got a killer fitness program, something that you know will change lives. You put together an ad with a headline like "Unlock Your Ultimate Potential." It sounds inspiring, right? But here's the problem: it's not clear what the person clicking will actually gain. And in marketing, ambiguity is the enemy of conversion. And then I hope you can understand that. So people today are bombarded with ads every single day. They don't have the time to figure out what you are offering. They want to know, in instance, what is it for me? If your headline doesn't answer the question immediately, they will scroll right past it. So let's look at an example. We recently ran a campaign for a high intensity interval training HIIT program. So with this two different headlines. So the first one was lost 10 pounds in 4 weeks with our intense HIIT workout. This headline was the winner. So why? Because this gaps are clear, it's tells the reader exactly what they can expect. Losing 10 pounds in just 4 weeks. No guessing, no vague promises. So now compare that to another headline with test. Unlock your ultimate potential with HIIT. So while it sounds good, it's too abstract. So what I mean with that, it doesn't tell the reader what ultimate potential actually means. It's losing weight, gaining muscles, or feeling more energetic. So without that clarity, the headline didn't resonate as strongly with our audience. And then here's why this has happened. So when people see an ad, they subconsciously ask themselves 3 questions, and then you have to be aware of all these questions anytime that you are creating your ad headline on your copy. So the first question is, what is it? They need to know what you are offering. And then the second question, what is it for me? They want to understand the benefit they will get. Okay, and then the third question, why should I care? This is where urgency or relevance comes into play. So when your headline answers this question clearly and directly, it immediately connects with the reader. For example, trash belly fat with 20-minute daily workout. This headline tells them exactly what is it as a workout, and then what is it for them for fat loss, and then why they should care. It only takes 20 minutes a day. On the flip side, headlines that are too abstract, like unless you're an athlete, so fail to answer those questions, the reader is left wondering what exactly they are getting and why it's matter to them. So think of your headline like the hook in a great story. It's the first things people see, and it needs to pull them in immediately. So let's break it down to 2 examples. Okay, so Sam here, I'm gonna give you the first example: lost 10 pounds in 4 weeks versus transform your body in 30 days. So both headlines are focusing in a specific time frame, but the first one gives a measurable, tangible result. It's clear and direct, making it more compelling. And then the second example here, build strong fast than ever versus discover the power within you. Again, the first headline is specific about the benefit, building strong quickly, and then the second one, while motivational, is too vague to grab attention in a crowded market. Okay, so what's the key takeaway here? Stop trying to be cute or clever with your headlines. So your audience is bombarded with messaging all day long, and then they don't have time to figure out what you are offering. So be straightforward, highlight the big tangible benefit they will get, whether it is a rapid fat loss, increase strong, or smashing their fitness goal faster than ever thought possible. So when you focus on a clear benefit driven headline, you are not just grabbing attention. You also setting the stage for powerful conversation. Okay, and that's what turns casual browsers into paying clients. So go ahead and take this action into your headline, and then I hope that helped.